Hello guys, in this video I will share with you how to change the default browser on Windows 11 by selecting one of the browsers on Google Chrome. Then when you click on a link, you will be taken to the browser that you have set as default. Pay attention to these small arrows to follow the steps. Here you can open Google Chrome, Firefox, or Microsoft Edge. Here I will give an example of opening Firefox, but you are free to open which browser. In this section you can choose the default browser for Windows 11. After selecting the browser, you click Set Default. Then the browser you choose will become the default browser on Windows 11.